The Truth About Crypto by Ric Edelman. It's common to feel hesitant about investing in Bitcoin, but there are ways to overcome objections. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Cryptocurrency, blockchain, and digital assets may seem strange new concepts to some, so it's understandable to feel hesitant about investing in them. However, those fears are logical, but they need not prevent you from investing in blockchain. Here are some common objections. I feel apprehensive about investing in digital assets. I understand where you're coming from. It's normal to feel hesitant about investing in something you're unfamiliar with. However, it's important to know that blockchain and digital assets are constantly evolving and presenting new opportunities. Investing in digital assets can offer diversification, higher returns, and protection against inflation. It might be worth exploring further and researching to see if it's the right fit for you. It's a fad. As an investor, it's important to differentiate between fleeting fads and long-lasting trends. While bell-bottom jeans and beanie babies were fads, casual clothing and digital assets are enduring trends. It's important to recognize that digital assets are not a passing craze like beanie babies. They represent a legitimate and growing trend in the investment world. It's a fraud. Investors need to stay vigilant against fraudulent activities, but it's also crucial to understand that Bitcoin is not a scam. It's worth noting that fraudsters and scammers have exploited even traditional asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. There's no way to ascertain value. The beauty of digital assets lies in the fact that any individual or authority does not set prices. Prices are decentralized in the blockchain space, which is an advantage. It's important to recognize this feature of digital assets and understand how it sets them apart from traditional asset classes. It's too volatile. Wise investors understand that Bitcoin isn't the only asset class that experiences crashes. Traditional asset classes like stocks and real estate also go through these fluctuations. Volatility can be seen as a chance to make a profit. Upside volatility can be a reward, while downside volatility can be a chance to purchase at a reduced price. It's too risky. When considering new investments, it's important to remember that risk is always involved. If you're interested in digital assets, limiting your exposure to this asset class to no more than 1% of your portfolio is wise. This can help minimize potential losses and ensure your overall investment strategy remains balanced. I don't need it in my portfolio. It's worth noting that digital assets can diversify your investment portfolio, much like stocks, bonds, and real estate. With their tendency to move in different directions from traditional assets, digital assets can help balance out your overall investment strategy. It's too late to buy. The Bitcoin price has seen significant growth since its early days, with a value of just $479 in 2012 compared to over $50,000 as of 2021. While some may view this as a missed opportunity, it's important to recognize that this upward trend makes Bitcoin a more stable investment. In its early days, the price of Bitcoin was heavily influenced by its novelty and limited adoption. However, Bitcoin has firmly established its use case and potential as a valuable digital asset. I'll wait for the next decline. One effective way to avoid missing out on the rising prices of digital assets is through dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves purchasing assets in increments, which allows you to benefit from their eventual growth. Waiting too long to invest could cause prices to skyrocket beyond your reach, but with dollar cost averaging, you can take advantage of the upward trend in a steady and controlled manner. I don't know how to begin. Contact a financial advisor to get professional guidance on financial matters. You can locate reliable advisors at dacfp.com, the official website of the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals. I hope you found the information about The Truth About Crypto by Ric Edelman. This brings us to the end of this book. Check out our YouTube channel if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to explore other books. It's chock full of informative videos and recommendations to keep you engaged and learning. So head on over and subscribe today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.